Hi everybody, it's Elijah here. Today we're going to be making some paper fans to celebrate the Chinese New Year. 2021 is the year of the ox, so let's celebrate it together by creating some beautiful foldable paper fans. So here is the craft kit that you'll be receiving from the information desk. Inside there should be 6 pieces of origami paper, and 4 popsicle sticks. Each paper fan takes half of these supplies, so one paper fan is 3 pieces of paper and 2 popsicle sticks. You'll be able to make 2 paper fans with this kit. The only other thing you'll need for this craft is a glue stick of some sort. So we're going to start by folding our paper in half, and then we will fold it in half again, taking the top and bottom edges into the middle. Basically, we're going to end up with an accordion type shape, sort of like the paper fans that you used to make in elementary school when you were bored. And I just do this by making them symmetrical, folding them in quarters, and then folding them in eighths. As you can see here, I also use the popsicle stick to make a nice crease that won't come up when it's folded. And here you can see me actually beginning the accordion fold, folding first one way and then the other, then the other, then the other, sort of. And this is going to help make the shape of the paper fan for us. So here's what it'll look like when you're all done. It doesn't really matter which way you fold it because it'll be two-sided anyway. I'm going to do this for all 3 sheets of paper, and here's what we've got. So now we are going to fold all these pieces in half, and again I'll use the popsicle stick to sort of crease them down a little better. And here's all our little pieces. Now, before I start gluing, I'm actually going to lay out my pieces in the sort of formation that I'll need, so you can kind of see what we're doing here. We want them all to be touching like this, and then I'm going to put the popsicle sticks down where I want them, just so I can kind of get like a map of where I want everything. And now I can actually start gluing the pieces together. So we're going to glue the edges together first, and then we'll glue the insides, and then the popsicle sticks. So as you can see, when I open it up, we still have these 3 gaps here, and we're going to want to glue those down too. So here's what we're left with. I'm just kind of unsticking the pieces from the glue, and we'll kind of unfold it and see what kind of shape we have. Lastly, I'm just going to glue these popsicle sticks here on the edges so we have some control over the fan, and we'll pretty much be done. So here's my first unfolding. Make sure that you're kind of careful so that nothing comes unglued. And there is our beautiful paper fan. So feel free to decorate these how you want. I just put some red dots on mine. You're welcome to paint them or draw whatever you like on them. You can always fold it up, put it in your pocket, and save it for a hot day. Thank you guys so much for watching.